Hi, I'm with the South Carolina Film Institute, and today I will tell you about black foil. Black foil is a style of basically aluminum foil that is black matted. It absorbs light. You can use it basically in a lot of situations. You use things like a cutter or duvetine. One of the main uses, though, is to use it as improvised barn doors. Now, here is a light around where I use the black foil along with some gaffer's tape to just rig up a very crude barn door. It's really just two kind of moderately, maybe about 5-inch strips of black foil taped onto the light with about maybe 4 or 5 pieces of gaffer's tape. And this you can use to control the spill of light, maybe a little bit here, like you would a normal barn door. Now, yes, it's louder and it's not as quite as efficient as a real barn door, but with black foil, it's a good rule that you can make do with whatever you need.